Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, I'm going to unpackage, try on and review an AOKUMA case for the Xiaomi 17T Pro, which is compatible with Pixel Snap or MagSafe or whatever Qi 2 standard accessories are available. So let's have a look at what comes out of the package after you've ordered it with your own pocket money from Amazon. Now obviously I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase this case on Amazon, and if you do order from there you'll be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks through an affiliate link. Now the bag is pretty nondescript. It says that it's a fashion case original, and on the inside we have a case which seems to have a bit of foam there to keep the shape of the case, but you can see it's got TPU softish plastic black sides around the camera module with appropriate cutouts, as well as a magnetic ring for the extension of magnetic accessories. So what I'm going to do is take the Xiaomi case that was included with the Xiaomi 17T Pro, and if you haven't already seen it, you can see our unboxing and setup videos for this phone in where we took the case off. It is a fairly simple TPU case which does not have any sort of MagSafe or Qi 2 standard extensions, but it is a very good TPU case. And I'm going to take my 17T Pro by Xiaomi and pop it into the case. Now, first impressions, it feels nice and snug. There's no give, which is a good sign. I'm going to try turning the screen on, and as you can see, that's pretty responsive. This is a power button extension that's on this case, which works well. Let's also go and check the volume rocker. That's just above the power button. There's no stickiness, it's working well. Good to see that working as expected. And just as a little detail here, there is also a little lanyard loop in the case, and the corners seem to have a little bit of extra cushioning from the case itself. There is no cutouts at the top of the device, so that's as is, though as I said the corners have a bit of extra cushioning. On the left hand side there's no cutouts, nothing there, but you do get that little bump for the corners. And at the bottom, after the bumps for the corners, we have a cutout for the speaker grill, the USB Type-C port, and the microphone hole. So in terms of cutouts on the four sides, it's keeping things to the minimum. It does have a lanyard loop bit there, volume rocker buttons, and all the cutouts expected at the bottom. Whilst on the back, we find there is appropriate cutouts for the camera modules, so that's all looking good to me, as well as the flash unit. And there is our little MagSafe accessory section here, which I will need to test. Now, bear with me. Okay, and thanks to the magic of editing, I'm back with a MagSafe compatible and Qi 2 compatible power bank. Let's see how this works on the Xiaomi 17T Pro with this AOKUMA case. It clicks in well. There we go. We can see that it is charging, so this feels good. It's solid. It doesn't swipe from side to side. It fits well. And if it works well with this power bank, I'm assuming it should work well with other Qi 2 compatible devices. The magnet is strong, it stays safe, and it doesn't wobble around when I shake it. So good case in my view. So good. This case, I think, gives good protection to the camera module. It also has a little bit of a lip to each camera element there, and if we look at the screen lift, it's just under 1 millimeter in terms of the lift there. So if you have a screen protector on, as I do on the Xiaomi 17T Pro, that should give you good overall protection. Good, so I think that for the price of £8.99 on Amazon UK, this is a pretty good buy in terms of cases, because it's not just the TPU case, it is also compatible with the Qi 2 standard magnets and MagSafe-like accessories, so it does give you a bit extra functionality compared to the case that's included in the box of the Xiaomi 17T Pro. So yeah, thumbs up from me. For less than £10 sterling, it's a good case, and you have the added bonus that it's next day delivery if you have Amazon Prime. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.